guys, welcome to Alicia's Little Corner. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the alphabet in the right order. As you've seen in my last video, I showed you the alphabet, but it wasn't in the right order. So let's sing it in the right order this time. Let's sing a song about the alphabet. It goes like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Now let's sing together. Let's do it. You guys, first we need to practice because practice makes perfect. So first, let's see the letters in the right order. Say A. A.
A.
Good job. And make sure to repeat after me. B.
B.
Good job, but a little louder, please.
B.
Good job. Now it's time for C. Say it after me. C.
C.
Good job. D.
D.
A bit louder, please.
D.
Good job. Now let's go to E. E.
E.
Good job, but a little louder.
E.
Good job. F.
F.
Good job. That's a great one. Let's try G now. G.
G.
Good job. H.
H.
Great job. I.
I.
That is the right way. J.
J.
Good job. Now let's try the next line. K.
K.
L.
L.
M.
M.
N.
N.
O.
O.
A little louder, please.
O.
Good job. P.
P.
Q.
Q.
A bit louder.
Q.
Good job. R.
R.
But a bit louder, please.
R.
S.
S.
Good job. But a teeny bit louder, please.
S.
Good job. T.
T.
A bit louder.
T.
Good job. U.
U.
V.
V.
W.
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 Yes, that's the right way. X.
X.
Y.
Y.
Z.
Z.
Or you could say Z.
Z.
That's two ways to say Z or Z. Now let's learn their sounds. A makes the sound A.
A.
Good job. That's the right sound for A. Now let's try B. The B makes the sound B.
B.
Good job. But B.
B.
Good job. C.
C.
C makes the sound K.
K.
Good job. D.
D.
D makes the sound D.
D.
Good job. E makes the sound E.
A.
E.
E.
Good job, but a little louder.
E.
Good job. Let's go to F now. F makes the sound F. Good job. G makes the sound G.
G.
Good job. H makes the sound H. Good job. I makes the sound I.
I.
Good job. J makes the sound J.
J.
Good job, but a little louder.
J.
Good job. Let's come to K now. K makes the sound K.
K.
Just like C, it makes the sound K. But
K.
it's a little louder.
K.
Good job. L makes the sound L.
Ooh.
That's the right way. N makes the sound M. Yes, that is actually the correct way. But you can say it with M as well. Here's N.
N.
And its sound is N. Good job. O makes the sound A.
O.
Just like owl.
Oh.
But that's just an example for a word. Let's try P now. P has the sound P.
P.
Good job. Q makes the sound Qu.
Qu.
But sometimes when it is with U, it can make a louder Qu sound. Like Qu.
Qu.
Good job. When it's with Q, it can make a louder Q. Qu. So let's try R now.
R.
That's the sound R makes, but a little bit louder, please.
R.
Good job. S makes the sound S. Just like slithery snake. T makes this sound T.
T.
Good job. A little louder, please, though.
T.
Yes, that's a great job. Let's do U. U.
U.
But U makes the sound O.
O.
Good job. It's similar to A, but it's actually called O. So let's try V now. V.
V.
That's the correct sound, but a little bit louder.
V.
Good job. W makes the sound W.
W.
Good job. A little bit louder.
W.
Good job. X makes the sound X.
X.
Good job.
Like X-ray.
Yes, just like X-ray. You guys are right. Here's a Y, and it makes the sound Y.
Y.
And this is a word for Y. Yogurt.
Yogurt.
That's just a word, for example. If you need a word, just ask me. And here's Z.
Z.
But the sound is Z.
Zoo.
Yes, just like zoo. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Alicia's Little Corner. Thanks for watching. Bye.